What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick little video on how to change side markers on your FRS 86 or BRZ. Alright, so this is my FRS. We're going to start on this side. This side marker is actually broken, so it's kind of glued in. This one is in properly, so I'll be able to show you how to get it out the right way. I just have clear side markers that they're the same as the OEM ones, just clear. I just wanted something simple and cheap, and we should be able to change these without even jacking up the car. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just turn this wheel in so we have a little bit more room to work right here. So all you need to do this job is a flathead screwdriver. What you're going to see first is you're going to see one of these guys, but up here mine's missing, so I don't have to worry about it, but you're going to pop it out. All you got to do is take this center part and pry it out with the screwdriver. The center part will pop out. You don't have to take this one out, by the way. I'm just kind of show you an example. And then once you get the center out, you just got to work at it like that for a little while. You'll see that it's popped out like that a little bit, and you should kind of be able to pull this. I don't know if I have it out enough to get this thing out right now. There we go. And that's it. That's how you get it out. So you'll be taking out this one up here, and then after that, what you want to do is just pull this thing out of the way. You can kind of like pull it out right here. You shouldn't even have to take that one out. You should be able to just pull this out, and then you'll be able to have access. Then you'll see these two holes right there. Inside one is a clip. All you have to do is just take a screwdriver and push it in. I don't know, my flathead screwdriver might be too big. Yeah, mine's too big. So what I actually like to do is something different. I could go get another screwdriver and mess with it and see if I can get it out. But I find that if you go back behind those two holes, you can actually get to the clip a little bit and press it down a little bit easier. And you can pry against the clip itself. I'm not going to be able to do it on camera, but you can kind of see the clip in there. It's right up there. So I need to get the screwdriver next to it. Oh, maybe I can do it on camera. And then you just kind of pry it down, and while you're prying that down, you pull out on this. It's not going to come out because I kind of need to pry and pull at the same time, so I need two hands. So I'm just going to put you on the tripod really quick. Okay, I got it out now. I ended up doing it the normal way. I just got a small Phillips head screwdriver, this one right here, and I just pushed it in the side. And as you can see, what you're doing is just pushing down on this clip. So you're just pushing this clip in and then pulling this through. So once you get it out, you can pull it out all the way. There's like a buttload of glue in here from the previous owner had this glued in, even though it was good because he was missing this clip right here, and I put this in the other day. Anyway, if you're putting an LED side marker in, what you would do is unplug this and then plug it into here. To unplug this, you just push on this tab. Oh, actually, sorry. You push on this side of the tab. And you might need a screwdriver to do so. Nope, I got it. And then you plug in right there. If you're doing what I'm doing and replacing just this part of the side marker, you can twist this out and it pops out just like that. And my side markers are clear, so if you're getting clear side markers like me, then you need to take this bulb out and go buy an amber version of the bulb. So I'm gonna go do that. All right, so I got a new bulb, an amber bulb. They're $194. They just sell them probably everywhere. I got it at AutoZone. So we go ahead and put that bulb in and test it out. All right, we're good. It's lit up. And then just take your new side marker. Twist the bulb into it. And then just go ahead and feed it right back in. And just clip it into place. And that's all there is to it. And don't forget to replace your clip that you took out. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Make sure that you like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.